Hello students, today in laboratory we are going to determine bulk density of soil, that is in experiment number 6. Title of the experiment is Determination of Bulk Density by Cloud Coating Method and Particle Density by Pycnometer Method and Porosity of Soil. Already we are knowing that bulk density and particle density, these are the physical properties of soil coming under the density property. From this one property that we are going to determine, that is a bulk density. The name of method is cloud coating method because we are going to use one cloud with coating paraffin wax. Bulk density means it is the oven dry weight of soil per unit of its volume. That means in density calculation, weight of solid mass, that is soil particle, plus weight of pore space is considered. That's why it is known as bulk volume. Let us see the material required for this determination. Weighing balance to take the weight of clod and thread. These are the clods having 3 cm diameter. Then here you can see thread having 25 cm length. Then paraffin wax which is melted, and measuring cylinder which is filled with water. So all these are the material required for bulk density determination. Okay, let us start with procedure. Select a firm clod having 3 cm diameter. This clod should be firm. First step, take the weight of this clod on weighing balance. Okay, note down the weight. Next step, take a thread having 25 cm length and note down the weight, that is in gram. Okay, now the next step is tie the clod which is already we have weighted with thread. Okay. Okay, like this. We have to tie this clod properly because we are going to dip this clod in wax and water, so that should be firm. Now dip this clod in melted wax for 1 second. Again dip for few seconds. Repeat the step till getting a uniform thin layer of wax around this clod, and we have to make this clod waterproof. Okay. Now this is totally waterproof clod. Confirm it. Next step, again take the weight on weighing balance. Now the weight is for clod plus paraffin wax plus thread. Note down this weight. Next step, dip this clod, or you can say suspend this clod in a measuring cylinder which is 3/4 filled with water. And don't touch don't touch to the walls of measuring cylinder. Note down the increased level of water, that is the displacement of water. Okay, so note down this displacement in ml. Remove the cloud and now put all the values, that is observation, in observation table. Here you can see observations noted. First, weight of thread, then weight of thread plus cloud, then weight of cloud, next weight of thread plus cloud plus wax, and from this you can calculate the next observation, that is the weight of wax. Next you have to calculate the volume of water, you have to note here volume of water displaced by coated cloud, that is in ml. Next, calculate the volume of wax, that is multiply the weight of wax with 0.91, that is a specific gravity of wax. After that, calculate the volume of dry cloud. After filling this observation table, put these values in a formula for the determination of bulk density. Here formula is here, that is bulk density in gram per centimeter cube is equal to oven dry weight of soil divided by volume of solid clod, that means weight of clod divided by volume of dry clod. By putting this value in formula, you can calculate the bulk density for given clod. Okay, so all these about the procedure, observation and calculation part of bulk density determination. Okay, thank you.